Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you about the battery saver settings or how to use battery saver in your device Samsung Galaxy M32. So if you want to learn about the battery saver setting or how to use battery saver in your device Samsung Galaxy M32, you can do it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn all about the battery saver settings or how to use battery saver in your device.